Hi my dear friends, this Team Wider is here, and first of all I want to tell thank you for everybody who congratulate me with my birthday. I'm really appreciate it. I receive a lot of the messages in the Facebook and also in the Skype and Twitter. It's really awesome, my friends. And today my friends, we continue to make the website, we continue to do our steps, and if you saw my previous video, we start with platform which call it platform which call it Joomla. This really awesome platform. I will explain you in the next video about how to make it everything. But today before to install Joomla, we must install local server, because this platform cannot work without the server. So my friends, we go on to the Bing, Google, Yahoo, and you can see, and we type Xampp, this word, and the first link. The local server, my friends. With this server working all of the CMS system, not just with this server, with the similar, but we should install it something like this on our computer to work correctly, and just too simple to work, we must install the software, my friends. So right now what to do. Go into the Bing, Google, Yahoo, type Xampp, open this link, and here we choose Xampp for Windows. Click here, waiting for a few seconds, and we see that it's going to download. My friends, really, making the website, just do that what you want every time, doing the steps, and you will be to that point where you want to go. Because every time I tell to the people, if you want to do something, every day you must do little steps. If you do a little step every day, you moving. If you don't do it, you stay on one position. All of the secrets, my friends. Doing every day that what you love, doing every day that what you want, and you will be in that point where you want to go. So I think right now it's downloaded. Just I want to check it. Yeah, just right now we open it and we'll start to download. My friends, I will check yes when it will be, because I have in my computer Russian language, in your computer maybe will be another, maybe will be English, maybe will be Germany. I don't know from where are you and what kind of the operation system on your computer. But if it's Windows, you do it the same. If it's Linux or other system, you just do it by that what you see. So click on the button yes. Here again you click on the button yes, and right now we need to install this Xampp, my friends, the local server. So click on the button again next. Here we save all of that what we have, because all of this is really important for us. It should be working correctly. After that, if you don't like something, you can, but whatever, my friends, just leave it like this. All of this, it's okay. All of this, because FileZilla we must work, and this is the FTP client, where I will explain you everything when you will do it. Click on the button next. Don't mind. Here you can select the folder, but I just leave it. The hard drive C. I have the space there. You can put D or another, but for me it's okay. So I click next, and you can see that we have Joomla here. That's what we will do in. Here you just can check it, because after that they will open the window you can read about all of this, about the Xampp. But wherever, my friends, I will explain you everything, so just check it, just make it the same what I'm doing. Click on the button next, and here we click on the button next again. So right now, my friends, we're waiting when it will install it, because I don't know how much time it will take to install all of the packages to install correctly on my computer. So I will stop my record. I don't know how much time it take, and for you it will be a few seconds. For me, just, my friends, boom, and everything I will continue. Okay, my friends, right now our installation is finished, so we go on to click on the button finish. But before this we click here, because don't need to start control panel. I want to show you everything what is this, so you will understand it. Click on the button finish, and right now we go in, my friends, we go in where, just make it like this here. And right now what I will do, we go into the hard drive C, to our Xampp, go into that, you just go into that way where you put it into your computer. If you just not changing anything, it will be the same like mine. Okay, right now we go in here, find the Xampp control, and my friends, I will make the label of this and put it on the detector. So just I take it from here and put it here. Yep, perfect. Okay, my friends, right now we open this. With this program we will start everything, but my friends, be sure that your Skype, that you're logged out from your Skype. If you will be logged in, because Skype and this program, they use the same port, and if it will working together, so it's not working correctly. Here I'm save English, of course, waiting, and right now we must to start these two these two modules, Apache and MySQL. So I click first on the start to the Apache, this server. Yeah, it should be green, my friends. If everything is okay, it will be green. And of course MySQL, click and wait in, my friends. Everything is working. So to check it how it's working, we go right now to our browser, and here we just must to provide localhost. Just made it the same what I'm doing, my friends, and everything will be perfect. Okay, my friends, what is Xampp? Xampp, this is the local server. Not just Xampp in the internet, there's many of them. Many. There's Denver, there's open server, many of them. But you know, just I take it this because this is simple, and this one English. So right now we need to go to phpMyAdmin here. I think that you understand everything. If you don't understand something, put the comments below, send the message in the Facebook, my friends. Everything is simple here. Right now here not everything on English, but my friends just doing the same what I'm doing. Here's the first, you click on the first, this is database, and you on English it will be database. And here, just you know, I provided database. We need to create new one here, and I click create. On your will be by English or maybe by Germany, but that language what you have. So my friends, right now we must to add new user. How to add new user to our database? Click on our database. It's here, you can see from the left side. And right now count from here, because you know it's not English for you, maybe it will be another language. That's why I'm telling you. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and on the 8 you click here and click on the button add user account. Add user account, my friends. And here you must to provide new user. So here we just put the name will be admin. Host, my friend, will be localhost. You just choose localhost. Yeah, you can see. And the password, my friends, I use simple password. Just a second, all of this 1 2 3 4 5, just simple password. You can choose anything, because this password you will use just on your computer, but wherever, even you can put without the password. It's not that important, but I'm doing just because I'm doing like this. It's not that matter. Right now you click on the button check all. Yeah, you can see the password, name, everything, and click on the button go. Here will be go in English. We have the error, my friends, and this error just will explain you why we have it. Because there we must do in our Xampp, we must make two folders, and here. So we go into the Xampp, my friends, here on our hard drive C. We go in again here. We go into the MySQL. So just I'm searching. Okay, it's here. And here we must create two folders. One of them will be, it's a library. Just you type like this, lib. Yep. And in this folder, my friends, we must create another one. It's called plugin. That's it, my friends. Close this one and made it again here, just to make one like this. Here, check it again, admin, localhost, the password, and click on the button go. Boom, everything is working, my friends. You can see right now, you know how to make it. My friends, in the next video I will show you how to install your Joomla on your local server. I hope everything you understand it. I hope everything working correct. If something is not correct, put the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And just, my friends, be succeed in this life and do that what you want. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.